See, if na say na insult you come insult me for this place. See, you go collect.
Okay, you talk too much. You talk too much. I know they like it. This man, you talk too much. You talk like a woman. Somebody where you don't know him before. I don't come here. You don't talk. I know they like fat people. You talk too much. You talk too much. You will come give me fake address.
You be mumu.
I don't look at you. Look at you. Go here. I'm not jealous. You don't tell me say your name not that important.
I say if they come, make you ask them. Say we are in Therefor house today.
Therefor Jesus. Therefor wa honyara dem. When occasion be one where they carry me go. Where it no dey in teeth again. One ya musuge tabum. Mam to get Therefor. Hey! Is like your name not the ring bell, they take and boast.
Continue.
Me will be prophetic photo. No, we are not they go.
Who you don't see now?
The way Ojuku of Igbo land.
Photo.
The day Ojuku die. When they carry and enter the plane for cemetery replay. Now me go there snap. Now me snap him. Don't ask me. Go to my line. Go in line and see my work. Bianca, the day where Bianca remove her pump. Now me go snap Bianca. I can't see Bianca man Anambra. Drop why?
Now you can
stand the why no na camera am ko se puta.
Exactly.
Don't teach me my work.
Prophetic.
Oda come say the photo.
You don't do.
Continue.
Photo me see ni na wuru na no important person na. Tell Obasanjo show ogre me him ogre me. Anom ni me cemetery ngo me asim cemetery nga na na emem. Theater. Ni me theater. Anom ga hye kwa. Na me snap am go kubiri me kam hye.
Even yara do away.
Ani agla don't touch me. Don't remind me. What in the snap your little man poster hair?
No, uku ije SLM picture.
Okay, no insult me. I know they like children insult.
Continue.
No go look down on my leg. No be leg go snap you. Na camera they use to snap.
My brother, he know they would that now. Even my younger brother outside the country. I got these guys here. Chola me go, give me money. Let me use it and travel outside the country. This guy told me that he doesn't have money. He doesn't have any money on hand.
Bia. Brother, go. Leave me. I
want you to feel my pain, my brother. I'm sorry. So what did they say? I tell and say, I won't travel. Make him find me money, make I use commode. Make I be somebody for this village. This guy tell me say no shisha. No way go G. Now you don't send money now. Say make me in elder brother build house for them for this town.
You be mumu.
The
same blood, though. The same blood. Here my blood. Here one name okay my yakweri.
So now blood brother.
Now blood brother, my blood.
You are the senior, him be junior.
The junior, but I know who. Now him who. So now who. Now in the respect.
Okay.
But what did they be say? I won't use the money do something. So I won't send them. Uncompleted building. Tell us say the house dey in progress. So he gets Alamajan, say a block and he gets all your neighbor uncompleted building. This is no be our company.
Here is God.
No be here be na house.
No be here be our house.
Hold it down. Him water no can ugbawo. Ya na ejite ego gi na eri.
That's the thing.
Na akpukpori we ego.
Ego ya agula.
Se na eshigiri photo. Ya audio house ka ya na gara ya.
Prophetic. I'm name my hand I don't know.
Onye anwanne go to nne gi.
My younger
brother go.
Yes.
Elu ulo ka ga sheke.
Eke.
Block nda.
Bam. Then aja.
Here ulo nna gi.
Ulo here our compound.
So when I capture all of them, I go send the picture give it to you.
You have to each person match together. Me and Hannah.
May I Photoshop?
No, Photoshop.
Oh, I can see them time I get a photo. Are you photograph?
Yeah, Photoshop.
I'm going to talk too much. This man, you talk too much. Oh, you tell you they're going to work.
You go for.
Then I go man out and say, what you talk. Allow me to talk my talk.
Or God, go the snap picture. You self, they shout too much. Yeah, compound.
No open eye from you.
Continue.
You don't pay money and I don't come. If I not snap, I go just go. Your money don't work out.
I go collect your camera.
Now in line you pay money. You don't pay money for my hand.
If you don't snap this picture, I go collect your camera. What is the worry yourself? Okay, snap picture now.
Gizo shinulo, gizo nama.
Shh. You think say they wise?
Okoko bakla. Snap picture. What rata na bombo? You otise. I'm a bit throw block on the You go bend that side bend now.
Kumakula no say this thing.
Person no get to work. You no go if a lot of people will get to the work to do their work.
They go, no be my company. Ndem kwa company go to atu come here. Do this thing and make.
You want your show. This block na 6x6 and 4x4.
Na me get block.
You don't get the block where you want to do 419. You don't know the size. If the boy call you say, which block you take to do foundation, you not go know him. You know that you question him. You just shout. Do this thing. I said this thing make a come out here now. You won't know Shimakachine Kelepa Ocean Organization. You know what? You don't know the hour of block. You want snapper.
I'm gonna 6x6. I'm gonna snap. Yes, you know for this block. Don't be my block.
Maybe you want to wait and take you.
Block now upstairs, been downstairs.
Child.
You turn out to the block to the.
We did concern house where they want build. Now to just snap picture. You be contractor.
Oh, what's that go? I didn't make a mistake. You prophetic. You lang get and daily bag up. How do I do now? More than what the boss remember pianist. Him gasa.
Child.
I got know what I go answer them.
Now upstairs.
Now 1 story, 1 build, I be 2 story.
Which kind of question be this one? Okay, let me the build house.
Okay, not build, they give money build the house. Person where you want build the house, you not get the plan. A plan is Janulu. One plan, I won't when daily work about my here. Let me know how to answer question. Now prophetic photographer I be. Now in line you book me, so I need to know. Okay. You actually think about what put me into your crime. When I got, but we have to be crimers. Okay.
Now 2 story. You don't. Are you okay?
Let's see. Yeah. See here, hand. Let's see for yeah.
Wait.
Now,
cameraman, you be an agent. Which you
be everything. No. The thing as it there now. I be everything. And I don't come beside. Don't come. I must accomplish my coming. Let's see for yeah.
I forgot Donatus.
In our 1 week, I would have Donatus. In our Dorati, Mogi Bam and Nea de Lagni, Rokora, what this ago.
That one, no, the snap picture.
Leave that one. Talk, give me this for
In their house, I go show you. I go send them for WhatsApp. Since say you want see of I go snap this and make a this is not a compound.
May God not allow them make them kill you.
Rigoronga.
Eh?
What's that? It's a man.
Now block you, they snap. Now, not be me.
Okay, I'm on early. So, like, any one that block, you have to take a daily block. Use your sense. Your brother gonna say you don't suffer for him.
Child.
Rigoro. Call it while I'm going to win. Have your get up. I take a harbor or Anyachi. My camera.
Oh, yeah, wait.
You too dumb,
Snap with
me and the block now.
This block where you carry, you want to do endorsement to block. You would destiny ethical.
Child.
You will take your destiny.
Okay, slap me picture.
Okay, don't talk too much. Why you carry like say you want to go do offering for church? You want equip a gamma church?
No, national I dey go.
You got shrine. You want to go to shrine. When you come back, we snap. Get the ground block. Get there and acote.
I know if you climb this block now. I know if you know the CSIB.
You know if you climb back. Come.
I say I don't show, I don't come.
Okay, you never snap this block.
Chiefimo prophetic photo, prophetic photographer, Jinji. I know they take nonsense at all.
Elijah, you have watch minute. This is na water sand that be dry sand.
Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Let me hear judicial.
Child.
What thing concern you concern this sand now?
Okay, God, I must know what I go snap. This man, they make me talk too much, eh?
You go for that wall, no for if you fall that wall, you go pay.
Continue.
Oga, sit down for top.
Eh?
Okay, you don't know who you call.
May God not allow them make them kill you.
I don't come, Chiefimo prophetic photo,
What happened?
What you know happen? Why you call day like that?
No, you tell me say make I dey like person where they suffer. So that if my brother see I'm gonna say me I'm not shamat that one now.
Make you day like person where they suffer. If your brother see me gonna say talang.
Child.
They talang. Sit down on top of sand. Get no got this you got cannot note. Konye brabo.
How you want make I day?
What can lie down on top of the sand? The camera.
Why I go lie down?
I know they snap anything.
You say what?
I'm not gonna snap. If I snap, I'll call me Bascar.
Hey, you see. Now this sand, now we I go use cover you. If you move, bam, this your 2 leg. I swear to God, who made me? I go cut her. What do you mean? You want for my hand? Eh?
Hand the way don't fall already.
Chai.
They ask me whether I want to fall your hand. When you don't take your hand, fall your hand already.
He shot you.
Your blood brother, you get mind. I just stay there, they look you. So you mean after all this in me? Prophetic photo. I go come snap you. Follow you conjugal evil. Eh? Your brother therefore, but they suffer. Send money for you, make you build house for her. You get mine, call me, make a call snap sand. Give send the area, send the area block, drug 6x6, I get you go to go.
Okay.
Snap, pull on yours. What I can town. Or we have to come as 1 year on you. Only 1 year on you, say I take money, build the house. Who the world on your if you build that house, not be too often I go there. Why is people so wicked? Why youth of these days are so wicked and lazy? Stop lazing around. You have to go and work. You want me to join hand and follow you do evil? God forbid.
Chai.
I am a prophetic photographer.
Continue.
Now from heaven they give me this. I dare for dream. Touch the camera. Some go to the world and snap to the world. Come back next when you are him. And what will the name say photo now? I don't snap rubbish. Your brother and a batting in to give you money. Say one name build house for me. Now outside I ain't go give the money. That is the reason most of us, if we travel abroad, we don't trust our people. We don't because here was so many people. One day these days because of money. Then your brother give you money, build house for me. Ula hono gini amab. 2 of them go there in that house. Why you want send sand to give them? You're not town when they send it. Give sand. Money where you don't pay in line, make I come give you. In your napa. Sina mehe puta. Come out from evil.
Killer, where on a day?
Killer. I want us, so don't be afraid of he that kill the body. He that will kill the soul and perish the soul. All when them got told you. You talk too much. Talk to you. They make a call. Come on, that thing for your pet. Come on, take it. Come on, take it.
Make when they come junction and then this man won't collect my money. Okay? Begin the commodity sales.
Get my marker.
I no go pay you 50,000 finish. You can't tell me say you no go snap anything for this place.
Your brother no go send $1 million finish. You go carry sand.
What did concern you? That's your brother.
He consign me. Now my brother when you born one name call. I have human feelings. I have human sympathetic.
Forget the sympathy. Now me you supposed to sympathize.
You want to sympathize with you. Get my marker. I'm a couple of rifle no.
And I don't want.
He got a rifle
I don't want beat you.
He got a rifle.
You know say your leg no good.
You go collect.
Okay, you know
You go collect. You
go anywhere.
A rifle. You go collect.
You go give me my money.
You go collect.
You go give me my money.
You go collect. Go ask of me. Go in line and ask of me. I know they take rubbish. I know they take.
Okay, you go give me my money. I go call village use for you.
You go call village waiting. The people who go call for you no go like them. You are too wicked. You are very, very wicked and heartless.
Now your family.
Just listen to what you want to do to your blood brother.
Continue.
Hear yourself and hear what you want to do to your brother. One nigga send the money to build a house for him. You want go, you come people house, you want snap block and send the send to them. Hey!
Now your company.
Equal to your red block. Kubo go tell Kubo Simon. Nime pogata.
I got prophetic.
I got prophetic.
I got prophetic.
I don't come. I say I don't show. I don't come. Lebelebe. Photo. Lebelebe. Prophetic photographer. Jinji. I know they take nonsense.